Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. Fisherfolk have started to receive cash grants and equipment from government as part of efforts to reignite the sector, which suffered billions in losses due to Hurricane Melissa. 18 fishers got direct assistance following a handing over ceremony recently at the River Bay Fishing Village in Montego Bay, St. James. Fisherfolk across Jamaica have been on edge since Hurricane Melissa. Nets have been broken, boats silenced, and livelihoods disrupted. The Fisheries Ministry says close to 3,300 fishing boats and engines were damaged. That's almost half the fleet in the country.
And then those fishing beaches on the coast suffered extensive damage to their infrastructure, gear sheds, and just to the livelihoods of our fishers. Over $3 billion in damage. And when you put in the infrastructure, over $7 billion in total damage to our fisheries sector.
Previously, fishing beaches were cleaned and some fisherfolk got wires to rebuild nets. On Friday, Floyd Green handed over cash grant vouchers.
Some people will get grants from $150,000 if it is directed towards boat repair, and we will go up to $500,000 that people will get today if it is directed towards engine repair.
Boats and engines were also part of the overall program.
We are going to be issuing 100 boats and engines over 5 years. So for each year, we're going to do 20. And we are targeting registered fishers under the age of 35. So today, we're going to be targeting 4 fishing beaches that we're going to provide a boat and engine for a fisher.
It's the first time owning a boat. That's my dream from day one, and it's coming through.
20 additional boats will be bought for different fisheries cooperatives. Stakeholders will work out a mechanism to share those vessels until each individual is able to buy one. Mr. Green adds that 6 fishing beaches will be fully rehabilitated. And amidst complaints about limited catch during nearshore fishing,
we started a program a couple of years ago where we have been training fishers and providing direct support by providing gear, providing access to equipment, providing things like long line and training you in long line fishing and deploying fish aggregated devices so that when you go out is a scientific approach you're taking. So you go out to a spot that you know fish is going to come because we have deployed a fish aggregated device there. We are going to expand that training to beaches like this.